Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Apple Watch. So, first of all, this is going to work on the all Apple Watches, so it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, the 40mm size. So, to go to the photos on the Apple Watch, you wanna autofocus, come on, let's go. Okay, you wanna go click the digital crown and see for the photos icon, which is right here, as you can see. And now, as you can see, there is no favorite photos. And why these are favorites? Now we are going to switch to the iPhone and to the watch app, and obviously the iPhone that is connected to your Apple Watch. And let's go to the watch app. As you can see right now, this is the main screen when you open the watch app, and what you want to do is to go down right here and search for photos. You want to click on this, and now as you can see, you need to have available the photo syncing, and as you can see, there's this album. So album means sync album means which album you are going to synchronize. As you can see, now I have the favorites, so every favorite photos that I liked are going to be synchronized with the Apple Watch. And what I do recommend, because as you could see right here, the photos limit, you can add only 500 photos to your Apple Watch. You would say this is, a small amount of photos. For many cases, yeah, but just think, are you going to search through 500 photos on your Apple Watch? Maybe, I don't know. I wouldn't on the Apple Watch because of the screen. This is a watch, this is not the phone. But okay, that's my opinion, it doesn't matter. So, as you can see, you can adjust the limit of the photos, so let's just place it for the 100 photos. And what I do recommend, to make your new album on the photos on the iPhone. As you can see right now, let's go to the albums, and as you can see, favorites, there is 0 because I don't have anything liked on my photos. So maybe let's create a new album and name it The Watch. So yeah, there's new album, and select some photos, I don't know, maybe this one, it doesn't really matter. So let's just add, and maybe we can do some photo right now, for example of this little thing right here. Let's just do a photo, and let's say that we want this photo in our Apple Watch, on our Apple Watch. So what you want to do is just to click the recents, click on this photo, and add to album, and let's say the watch. Okay, so now this photo is the album that is named the watch. And what you want to do, go to the watch app. As you have created a new album, again go to the photos right here and select the album that you have named. Oh, I even didn't name it The Watch, or I just named it TH Watch. So let's just select the TH Watch album, and now as you can see, there's TH Watch. And now if we are going to go to the Apple Watch, now we can go through the photos again, and as you can see, the photos are now, synchronizing, and we have all these photos on the Apple Watch. And now, as you can see, we can zoom in or zoom out, And every time you're going to add some photo, let's go to the photos on the iPhone, and let's say, for example, that we want to add, this delicious meal looking. If we are going to add this to the album that is synchronized with the Apple Watch, and in my case it is the TH Watch, the photos are going to be on the Apple Watch. As you can see right now, here is the photo that I have put in the album that was named TH Watch. So this is it. This is how you add your photos to the Apple Watch. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.